Okay, well, we are off on another acrylic adventure, and this time we're going to do a crashing ocean wave. People really like those, so I thought this time we'd go ahead and we'd paint one in acrylic. And as you know, our usual routine now, I'm toning the canvas, and I decided this time that I thought I might want to just use an umber, which is a fancy painting way of saying brown, okay? And we're just putting it on the canvas just like this. Now we're going to do our ocean wave, and it's going to be probably easier than you would think. I've all drawn it out, and by golly, we're going to have fun with this one. We've done about everything but an ocean wave. So I think this time, I'm just working this into the fabric of the canvas, okay? So I think this time, the old ocean wave will be perfectly in order, okay? Now, let's go ahead and just kind of scrub that off a little bit. I've already drawn the reference picture on. And this is from an area that I've been to, so I can pretty much do it from memory. And there we are. So tomorrow, we're going to get our start on the old ocean wave. So be with me tomorrow as we tackle this wave. We're going to have a great time. Until then, remember that I'd like you to subscribe and hit the notification, thumbs up, give me a comment, share this with others. We'll see you tomorrow, and remember, I love you, I love you, I love you.